What's going on, YouTube? This is your tech lover here. I want to go ahead and drop this news that just was introduced. I got a notification on my phone that Robinhood, a investment app that you can download to your phone and purchase stocks commission free. All right, so this app allows you to trade break free from commission fees, right? So you can buy stocks, cryptos, options, different things like that. With zero commission fees. So what's great is that they're introducing fractional shares. So what's great about that? Who has ever said to themselves, I would like to get into Amazon stock or Apple stock or Disney stock, but you don't have enough money right now to invest to buy the entire stock? Well, now you can buy a very small amount, as low as $1 worth of that stock, and you can build up to a whole share of a particular stock. So it's great. So if you guys are interested in this particular opportunity with Robinhood, go ahead and look in the comment below. I will have a link to a referral link that I have that will allow you to get one free stock, and I will get one free stock as well. And those stocks can be valued at different levels. So maybe we'll get lucky and get an Apple stock for our free stock. All right, but once you download the app, just go into the app and go into the get early access and put in your email address that you use to sign up, and that will get you access to the fractional shares. All right, so let me go ahead and log in real quick so you guys can kind of see what Robinhood looks like. If you're not sure what Robinhood is, again, it's been around for a while, but they introduced the idea of commission free trades. All right, and that's awesome because, again, oh man, they're sending me a text message to verify me logging in. So that's just a security feature to make sure that no one is logging into my account unannounced. All right, so let me put in that code that I got on my text message. Cool. That's pretty reassuring right there, right? All right, so as you guys see, I have a small amount because I just started my account, but I'm going to be adding some money in and definitely getting some of these fractional reserves. All right, so what you would do is, again, I come over to free stock. As you can see, it has my name. And if you use my link, again, I'm going to post it below in the comments. But if you use my link, we'll both get a free share. So that share can be anything, as we can see. Invite a friend, get a free stock, and you can track your referrals through the app. And so as you can see right here, I got a couple that are pending. As you can see, I got this one that's pending. All right, and this one right here, I got a free share of NGA, and actually that's where my $2 is from from that free stock. But again, it varies. So once you log into your Robinhood account, if you come over to your messages, as you can see right here, I got the message that says that they were introducing these fractional shares. About 2 hours ago, the message popped up, and so I'm sharing this information with you guys. So if you're looking to get into investments, you don't have a lot of money to invest, fractional shares is a great option. Again, it allows you to buy in on Nike stock, Amazon, Disney, all of these higher dollar stocks that are very expensive and hard to get into unless you have a lot of capital. With these fractional shares, you're going to be able to buy in again at whatever amount you see fit. If you want to put $20 a week in toward a Amazon stock or toward Netflix or whatever the case may be, it allows you to scale in to that investment. So all right, guys, so that's it on the video. I just wanted to share that information. Again, check the link below for a free stock. If you join Robinhood with my link, you'll gain a free stock, and that stock could be at any value. So if you decide to join with that link below, do me a favor. Once you get your free stock, just comment below what that free stock was, just so I can kind of see what kind of stocks people are getting. So appreciate you guys. Thank you for checking out the channel. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe. And also, if you could like the video, that'll really help me out. All right, and again, I will be posting more content around Robinhood going forward. So as I purchase stocks or make investments, I'll be dropping that information below. All righty, so thank you guys. Peace.